Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you all? I hope that you all are fine and taking good care of yourselves. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to solve your summer pack effectively. So let's begin. Dear students, the first subject is English. Let's have a look. Firstly, we have a reading task in which you have to read the paragraph from the booklet and then assess yourselves. Then we have a writing task related to unit number 1 and 2, in which you have to write meanings and sentences of the words given. Then you have to read unit number 2 and answer the questions. Then after that, you need to solve forms of verb. Moving on, dear students, we have tenses, which include present indefinite tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense. There is also an activity related to present indefinite tense which you need to solve. Then, dear students, we have active and passive voice which you have to solve. After that, we have grammar skills portion which you can do with the help of your grammar skill book. After grammar skill portion, dear students, we have listening and speaking tasks to improve your listening and speaking skills. Lastly, dear students, we have learning task in which you need to learn everything mentioned. I hope, dear students, that English portion of your summer pack is now clear. Now, dear students, we will see our mathematics portion in which we have 3 chapters, which are unit number 1, sets, unit number 3, factors and multiples, unit number 8, introduction to algebra. In unit number 1, sets, you have to solve fill in the blanks, MCQs, true and false, column matching, and after that, dear students, you have to learn all the definition of sets. In unit number 3, dear students, you have to solve fill in the blanks and questions, and then there is also an activity given related to chapter number 3, factors and multiples. After that, dear students, in unit number 8, you have to solve fill in the blanks, MCQs and some questions. All of this has already been taught in your classroom, dear students, and everything is solved in your notebooks and books. So I hope, dear students, that maths portion of your summer pack is also clear. Moving on to our next subject, dear students, we have science, in which you have to solve 2 units, which are unit number 1 and unit number 5. In unit number 1, dear students, first of all, we have levels of organization. Then, dear students, we have some choose the correct answers. After that, dear students, you need to solve I wonder questions and remember and understand questions. After doing that, dear students, you have to label the diagram. After labeling the diagram, dear students, you have to learn all the question answers which we have already done in classrooms. Moving on to unit number 5, dear students, we have some short question answers. Then we have remember and understand questions. After that, we have choose the correct options, some words to learn and some fill in the blanks. And at the end, dear students, we have given some notes for your convenience. So I hope, dear students, that science portion of your summer pack is also clear. Now, dear students, let's see your computer portion in which you need to solve chapter number 2 and chapter number 4. In chapter number 2, History of Computers, dear students, we have some fill in the blanks, some MCQs, column matching, and then we have some question answers. Also, we have given an activity related to History of Computers. Dear students, all of this has already been taught and solved in your classrooms. Moving on to chapter number 4, MS Excel, we have fill in the blanks, MCQs, column matching, and then some question answers. We've also given an activity related to chapter number 4, MS Excel. After that, dear students, we have given notes for your convenience. And last but not the least, we have given some fun time activities and games for you, which you can do in your free time by opening the links given below. So I hope that the computer portion of your summer pack is also now clear. Now, dear students, let's have a look at our history portion, and our history portion consists of 2 chapters, which are chapter number 1, fire, and chapter number 2, the wheel. In chapter number 1, fire, you have to solve MCQs and question answers. Everything has been taught and solved in your classrooms, dear students. In chapter number 2, the wheel, you have to solve MCQs, filling the blanks, and question answers. The MCQs and filling the blanks you can solve with the help of your worksheets. So I hope, dear students, that history portion of your summer pack is also now clear. Now, dear students, we will see the geography portion of our summer pack. In our geography portion, dear students, we have 3 chapters to solve, which are environmental geography, solar system, and the water crisis in Pakistan. In environmental geography, dear students, you have to solve filling the blanks, true, false, and question answers. Filling the blanks and true, false you can solve with the help of your worksheets. In unit number 2, dear students, you have to solve MCQs and filling the blanks. You can take help from your worksheet. After that, dear students, we have our last chapter, which is the water crisis in Pakistan, in which you have to solve true and false, filling the blanks, and question answers. All of this has already been taught and solved in your classrooms. So I hope, dear students, that geography portion of your summer pack is also clear. I hope, dear students, that this video was helpful for you in order to understand on how to solve your summer pack effectively. Have a good day, dear students. Allah Hafiz.